Hi, I'm Joseph Becker, CEO of 1040 Plus Quality Tax Preparation and Financial Services. We specialize in discount online bookkeeping, income tax preparation, payroll, and QuickBooks webinars. Today I'd like to talk to you about QuickBooks. You know, QuickBooks came into being in the late 90s, and I imagine since 1999 I've been teaching, consulting, and doing bookkeeping for all our clients and friends on QuickBooks. And over the years I've become a QuickBooks Certified Pro. Intuit used to advertise QuickBooks. If you can write a check, you can use QuickBooks. And although that sounds right, it's just not quite that easy. And most of you that have a small business that are using QuickBooks for the first time don't really understand how to set up QuickBooks and don't really understand how to do accounting. Today's technology is developed beyond webinars. We're going to use places like Google Hangouts to allow us to have large numbers of folks joining our class. That helps us keep our prices low, and it also gives you the chance to be involved as the class goes on, ask questions, submit questions, and for us to try to help you make it a better learning experience. As good as QuickBooks is, if you're not an accountant, if you haven't been using it for a long time, you're going to come across some frustrations, and we understand that. We're here to help you understand how to produce a good financial statement so that you can do your taxes. You've heard the story, garbage in, garbage out. Well, if you don't know how to use QuickBooks and you're putting the wrong stuff in and you're putting it in the wrong place, and when you do the reports, they come up with bad looking numbers and your tax return is not going to be correct. And if you ever get audited, you're going to have a really, really rough time. So we're here to help you know how to do this. I know how to do this. I've been doing it for a long time. And if you can't figure it out yet, I'm Mr. QuickBooks. I can help you do that. This is a comprehensive course meant to help you learn what you need to know how to use QuickBooks. We're going to start out showing you how to do lists. Lists is not an accounting term, it's a QuickBooks term. Lists include chart of accounts, which show you how to categorize your buckets of information, inventory, items, payroll, and the such. We'll also go into accounts payable, how to enter bills to make sure you pay your bills on time and take advantage of your discounts. We'll cover accounts receivable, entering your invoices, making sure your clients are paying your invoices, keeping track of your accounts receivable, and the goods and the bads of doing statements. From there, we'll move on to inventory, how to set it up, how to track it, the ins and outs of inventory, sales tax, payroll, reports, and monthly reconciliations. Many of you that have been playing with QuickBooks might have trouble clearing invoices from your accounts receivable after you've been paid, making sure items that are supposed to be in cost of goods sold are really in cost of goods sold, making sure your bank reconciles every month, and understanding the difference between cash and accrual. Those are all some of the things that we'll go over when we're doing our class. In addition, we'll have moments for you to ask questions, and we'll try to address those so they'll help everybody's benefit. So now the choice is yours. If you have a small business, you need to keep your records correctly. If you have a small business, you need to have an understanding of accounting. Please enter your information on the form below with your email address and your phone number, and we'll get back in touch with you so you can join us in our next class. And remember, if you ever have any questions, I'm Joseph Becker, Mr. QuickBooks, and I'm available at 281-397-7777.